Okay, today let's talk about waist pain. Let's talk about waist pain. Waist pain is a very serious call for concern. People have both for both male and female. People have been complaining for weeks, months, and even years. I have severe waist pain. I have severe waist pain, and at times, for the male gender, many people tend to think, it's lack of intercourse that is the main reason for those or for that pain. Now, what does with that waist pain that you're complaining about is it can be due to when it can be due to the fact that the muscles at the level of your pelvic floor or your pelvis rather or your waist level are either too weak or too tight, or there is loss of muscle coordination, which is characterized as a condition called pelvic floor dysfunction. Now, that accounts for the reason why you feel that pain. And one of the causes of this dysfunction or this loss of coordination or this reason why the muscles are too tight or too weak is due to the work that you do. Now, when you do strenuous exercises, there is a high probability that you exert so much pressure on your pelvic floor, which leads to those muscles being too tight or too tight or too lax, or they lose coordination. Now, the symptoms that you experience, as opposed to the notion that we have, especially for the men, when you think you have waist pain, you think that it's due to lack of intercourse. Now, the symptoms that you experience, so those who have this severe waist pain, you notice that during intercourse, you literally experience loss of erection. In severe cases, you have no erection, as opposed to the thoughts that people would think that it's due to lack of intercourse, you need to have intercourse to get relief of this pain. Now, another symptom that you notice also with this condition is that you experience, for females, you experience so much pain during intercourse. And generally, for the both genders, you notice that during urination, you still experience pain, and you experience some inabilities to properly urinate well. You notice that you experience that inability. Now, the next thing that people ask is, what can I do? I do the strenuous exercise, what can I do? Now, the first thing you have to understand is that to get remedy for this pain, you can go for a pelvic floor therapy. That is one of the options. You take medications, that's one of the options. The next thing that applies to everyone is lifestyle modification. Now, when you notice that this exercise or the work that I do is the main cause for this pain, there are two options. Either you reduce the intensity of the work or you stop the job completely, because irrespective of what you do, maybe the therapy or the drug, so far as that work or that exercise is still present, there is a high tendency of that therapy or those drugs not to work effectively. So that is what this waist pain in summary means. And this is what you should do in case you are experiencing those symptoms. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.